Hello, my name is Peter Stepansky. In this video, we will be going over assignment 7. So essentially finding two sums that sum up to the target. So let's just get this started and run the code. So when you type in main, it prompts us to enter length of the list. So let's say for this list we want it to be 25 in length, and then two of the integers have to add up to 50. So in this case, no two numbers summed up to 50, and as you can see here, prints out the list. So let's just keep running it to see if we can try to nail it. Let's do 30, and then let's have it add up to 50 again. Yeah, and we got one. So we got 5 plus 45 equals 50, and then thanks us for participating in both cases. Okay, so the way that my approach works is print out the intro message, error check to make sure that the user isn't putting anything incorrectly, and then I go ahead and generate the random array and save it into nums. So the way I do this is by using the random library and then having it do rand int, this built-in function within that library, from 0 to 100 for I in range length, which is the length that the user inputs. So after that, I get the numbers and I sort them. And then I use basically like the helper function find two sums, feeding in like the numbers and like the target sum. And then as you can see here, I could also explain why my code runs in log on. So the call to num sort kind of denominates like that n log of n. So at most we iterate each time through I in this case, and then kind of binary searches through it, and then as well as like the scanning to see if the numbers add up to it, takes logarithmic speed. So in total, it takes n of log n. So then after it finds it using the binary search, in this case, so what it does is it, gets the high and the low. It's like a pretty standard binary search, and then checks the number in the middle. So in the middle index, and then if it finds it, then it returns it. If not, it returns -1. And then the loop breaks once like the low is higher than the high in this case. And then after that, just generate random, prints the intro message, outputs the output message, and then kind of summarize it in this case. All right, thank you.